Hey guys, Coach Pillowfist here, and today we're going to talk about how to destroy the peekaboo stance. Now, this is not a tutorial on how to beat Mike Tyson. This is more so a tutorial on how to beat people that are trying to be like Mike Tyson. So I got my boy Gad with me here. He's going to play the peekaboo guy. So while Gad is in this peekaboo stance, you can see that when he moves his head side to side, flipping, all right, he's moving his head without really using his shoulders, right? He's moving his head like this, whereas in a traditional way of slipping, he would use his shoulders more so. That's a key thing to keep in mind while watching this tutorial. Now, when I'm throwing my jab at Gad, all right, he's slipping, right? Slipping, slipping, slipping. All right. Now, if you notice what's open when he's slipping, all right, we're going to go real slow. Slip, slip, slip. All right. It's right here to the body. So I can have him slipping, but that body's still going to be open right there in the solar plexus. All right. It's like that, all right? So slipping, slipping, pow. It's like that. Just like that, all right? Now, another thing you can do is a 2 to the body. Just like that, pow. Just like that. So slipping, slipping. So a good combination to exploit the targets of the stance. I can throw a 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to throw a 1 towards his eyes. I'm going to throw the 2 to his solar plexus. And then the 3 over here where his ear is. Because with the peekaboo stance with his hands in front of his face, it's going to be exposed. So I can go bow, bow, bow. All right, so when we're boxing, he's in his peekaboo. It's like that. One of those is going to land because of the way that his stance is. So if you notice people with a peekaboo stance, they have their stance very squared up. When people have their stance squared up, then very easy to knock them off balance, right? Now, I know people that like to use the peekaboo stance like to come in very close to their opponent, right? And what you can do is just give them a little nudge, right? So again, right? Again, very easy to push, create distance, and punch. You don't have to be in the Philly shell. So if you don't want to be in the Philly shell, all right, come in, all right, push. Just like that. Again. Just like that, bow, just like that. So the next one is the check hook. Now, back in the days, they didn't really have people doing the check hook as prominently as today, right? Gad here has an amazing check hook. So I'm gonna have him demonstrate this one. What I'm gonna do is people with the peekaboo stance, they usually like to come in kind of leaning forward a little bit, come in like this, right? Which is a perfect recipe for the check hook. So again, come in, just like that, perfect. This angle right here, good. Now for the last one, we've all seen Mike Tyson's drill with his coach where his coach is throwing jabs at him, right? And Mike Tyson's just slipping, slipping, slipping forward, right? So if anybody ever does this to you, what you can do is frame them with your forearm right here. Punch, I can move them just like that, all right? So again, from this angle, all right, frame them just like that. All right, again. So lastly, what people with the peekaboo like to do is they like to roll under hooks, right? So I can frame them as they roll under that hook, all right? It's like that, and then I can, my bad. Same thing if he rolls this way, I can frame him, bow, bow, bow. All right, so again. Slip, frame, punch. All right, on the other side. So from here, the other side. But all right, everybody, thank you guys for tuning into that video. Thank you very much, Gad, for being in that video. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.